Good morning, Brian from 5 to Go here. I just spent the first night in our brand new RV. Well, it's not brand new, it's 2016, so it's new to us though, and I really like it. So my buddy Matt from Matt's RV Reviews is right outside. We're getting ready to film a video for his channel. If you haven't seen that yet, hit the link down below and you can go and watch that. It is a full tour of the outside and the inside of this rig. And we're gonna do our own tour on this channel once I'm back home in Colorado after my 1,740 mile drive that starts in a couple hours. But I didn't want to do a full tour without Aaron along, but this is kind of a sneak peek. It's not a bunkhouse model, and we will explain why once I get back home. So let's go outside and see if Matt is ready. There he is.
Howdy.
How's it going?
How's it going, everyone?
Oh, it's wet, man.
It's freezing. You brought the cold down here with you.
You know what? I've been living in below freezing temperatures for 6 months.
Yeah.
I'm quite warm.
I'm freezing cold, man. I'm a Floridian now.
Yeah, 50s is easy.
You ready to do this?
Yeah, what are we doing?
We're gonna do a review.
Okay.
We're gonna go over, I'm just gonna do my thing.
Yep.
You're gonna be Andrea for the day.
All right.
We're gonna go over the outside features first, then the inside features.
Okay.
Then you are going to be kind of guest hosting on my channel, and you're going to be going over the 3 things you love about this Bounder.
Okay.
And 3 things you dislike about it. Oh!
Do I have to jump?
No.
All right. Okay, here we go. So filming this video, and then I'll be back with you in a little bit.
Here we go now.
Matt had a good idea to set up my camera on a tripod, so you'll be able to see kind of a fast version of the behind the scenes of the making of a Matt's video.
Yeah. Nice, you ready?
Yep.
Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm super excited. We have a very special edition of Matt's RV Reviews. We're taking a look at a motorhome that a full-time family of 5 is going to be full-timing in. This is the 2016 Fleetwood Bounder model 36E. We are going to take a look at the outside features first, then the inside features, then the owners of this motorhome are going to give you the 3 things they love about it and the 3 things they dislike about it. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Okay.
I always wonder what happened after the jump.
So that's... Oh, he jumped. So now what?
All right, Matt's video is all done. I don't know what else we're gonna do today because there's another storm rolling in, so I might just end up hitting the road here. But I have a long drive ahead of me, so we'll see how that goes.
Cool.
Anything else to say, Matt?
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Check out my channel, mattsrvreviews.com.
Link down below.
Oh.
Okay, all done shooting with Matt, and it's time to hit the road. Got everything turned off. I guess I need to bring this slide in. Do that up here. There she goes. It's a lot less stuff to look around for when you don't have all of your stuff in here. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but I don't have anything with me, so I don't know what I'm forgetting. And I always hate bringing these things in the rain. See, I forgot to do this. There you go. Now the chair's out of the way. Yeah, I hate bringing all this stuff in the rain. The slide toppers are nice. It does have slide toppers on the 2 slides. So the top of the slides aren't wet, but the sides are. So let's head outside. Let me grab my hat. So over here I get to try out my my new cord reel. That should be fun. So let's go ahead and disconnect it. Remember, whenever you are working in an electrical box, always turn your breakers off. all the power's off, and then you can unplug. Do that every time that you are unplugging or plugging in. Trust me. Power cord wheel. Be a little switch. Woo, look at that. That's fun. Well, I like that a lot. Here comes the... There we go. I think I'll leave it like that. Close it up. There we go. Ready for her maiden voyage. Well, it's got 10,000 miles on it, so it's maiden voyage with us. So I guess next is just to run the stabilizers up. Let me run inside and do that. Woo! Alrighty, got about 200 miles behind me now. So a little more than 10% of the way. I found a Walmart just north of, I think this is Tallahassee, and I'm gonna run in and get supplies. I'm not gonna take y'all with me in there because I don't want to be touching anything extra that I don't need to be touching. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys here on the rig. Gonna get my mask on, head inside, get some provisions for the next couple days of my journey, and grab some food because I'm hungry. And I will be back shortly and be getting back on the road. Alrighty, back in from Walmart, and got all my stuff in. Got some provisions, some food and stuff for the drive home. Grabbed some chicken from the deli to eat for lunch. I'm kind of digging the motorhome thing so far. It was nice to be able to come out, hit a switch and the generator comes on, and then I can have air conditioning while sitting in the blazing Florida sun. That's pretty nice, because that was, we had a generator with a travel trailer, but it was way more of a production to get that thing running and hooked up. You had to run cables and all that. Just being able to hit a couple buttons and you start cool down, it's fantastic. Also, if I wanted to, I totally forgot about that, because again, didn't do this in the travel trailer. I could have gotten something for the microwave or even the convection oven, because the generator produces 30 amps. So I'm going to eat real quick and get back on the road. This Walmart here, virtually nobody had masks on. Everybody was pretty well avoiding themselves, or avoiding other people, but individually, pretty much nobody had masks on except for, I think there were a few older people that I saw, but by and large, everyone was just kind of walking around like it was normal. So maybe this part of Florida isn't as cautious about everything as down in Miami and Orlando, like I saw in the airports the other day. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat real quick and get the generator shut off, AC turned off, get the rig going again, and back on the road. I think I'm gonna make it to Pensacola tonight. I've done about 200 miles so far from Ocala to Tallahassee, and I'll do, I think it's another 200 miles to Pensacola. Got a little bit of a late start because I shot that video with Matt earlier today, so I'm just gonna try and make it up to kind of the end of Florida, and then get up early tomorrow and get as far across Texas as I can in one day. And if y'all have driven across Texas, you know that won't be very far. It's a big state. So let's go ahead and hit the road. Alrighty, we're here. This is a nice looking little park. Let's go out and get power set up. It's a very nice park. It is beautiful, beautiful out here. It's so nice out here. Shorts, t-shirt, it's like probably 74, 75. Nice breeze. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. I wish I had some chairs with me. Let's go get power set up. Alrighty, it's pretty easy. I like that reel. I like that a lot. Gotta fight it a little bit because it kind of comes off the reel and then does a little S curve to get out the bottom. But yeah, now we'll level it. So I'm gonna go inside and just hit one button. And that's it. We're level. That is great. So right about now with the travel trailer, I would be probably messing around with rolling up on some blocks and figuring out what's level. But now I'm done. This is pretty great. Also, this is what it looks like with the slides in. There's tons of room to walk through the middle here. And if you remember, in the travel trailer we had, you couldn't even get into the living room or the kitchen or anything with the living room slide in. You could only get to the bathroom and the front bedroom, but in here you can get everywhere. I mean, if you wanted to, you could probably hop over the bed to get to that back bathroom, but there's one right here, so why bother? Dope. Water's all hooked up. I had to crack into my package for my brand new 0G hose. So I got that all hooked up outside. Got my new sewer lines and stuff hooked up. We'll cover that in another video. It's been a long day. I got a little bit of a late start. Got about 400 miles behind me. Made it to Pensacola RV Park. And it's a beautiful little park. So I'm gonna relax. It's been a long day. Shot that video with Matt this morning. Then got on the road immediately, and as you know, when you drive a new vehicle, you have to kind of develop a muscle memory for a new vehicle. This is my first time really driving a motorhome. I've driven big vehicles before, and of course I drove the truck pulling the trailer, so I'm used to long things, I'm used to heavy things, but this is quite a bit different. It's a bit more susceptible to the wind, I'm noticing, and it's different from the truck, where in the truck, when the trailer would get hit by wind, it was like when it was really heavy wind. Most of the time I never even noticed, but sometimes when there'd be a crosswind and a truck would be passing me, and you know, kind of that nice perfect storm of issues, the trailer would kind of put a little bit of torque on the truck. So that felt different than this, where this, when it was a big truck passing me with a crosswind, or basically when I was coming north, I was kind of coming through the edge of a storm cell, north on 75, I guess that was. It was just different because the torque or the side pressure was being applied to the thing I was actually steering. So it just felt different. So it took some getting used to. So I pretty much started off with like a 15-mile-an-hour crosswind constantly until I got on 10 West. Then when I got on 10 West, I wasn't in a crosswind anymore, and it was pretty much smooth sailing all the way here to Pensacola. So I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the night and work on this video. I got a sub and a salad from Walmart. Those are in the fridge. I'll have those a little bit later with some Diet pepper, of course. So don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you like these vlog style videos again, because now that I'm back on the road, I think it's kind of the way to do it. So I will see you guys in the next video. Join us on Discord, check us out on Facebook and Patreon and Instagram and all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.